I always get this question, so it's about time I revealed how I onboard all of my clients. Step 1, it all starts from a friendly conversation. Whether it's a video call or over the phone, I like to get an idea of what my client wants, just to give me a brief idea of how exactly I can help them. And this also is a great way to build trust with the client from the beginning. Step 2, once we've got the basics covered, it's time to delve deeper. I'll schedule a meeting where we can discuss the actual specifics of the website, from the design to the functionality that they want. This is where the magic actually happens, and this is where we'll set the blueprint for their dream website. Step 3, once we've got the plan sorted, it's time to make it official. I'll send over an invoice, and once they pay the 50% deposit, it's time to play. Step 4, this bit can be a bit technical. I help my clients sort out their hosting and domain. Whether they've got it already and they just give me the details, or they need help setting it up, I help them set up their hosting and domain, and I'll log in. And after that, it's smooth sailing from here on out. Step 5, content. I'll set up a shared Google Drive where my client can add all their website content, video, images, text, all organized in one place to make everything easy for everyone. Step 6, now all the foundations are there, it's time to give a sneak peek to what the website is going to look like. I'll create a coming soon page to let people know that you're building a website and it's coming soon. And there you go, that's a little sneak peek into my onboarding process that I do for all of my clients. Follow for more web design tips.